Let me show you all of the accessories that comes with Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10. So first of all, let's check all of the accessories that comes along with the box. So here we have the secondary brush that you can connect to the bottom side of this device right here. And the difference between the other model was that it had basically two of the brushes right here. This one has only one brush, but also has a main brush on the bottom, which works pretty much way better than the older device model E5. Then we'll have a charger base. Along with the charger base, obviously we'll get a cable. And lastly, we have a mop. So this device also can mop, and you can even change water levels in the app. So now next things that I should show you is a dustbin. So if we remove it, we'll get this accessory for a cleaning, and then we have a HEPA filter right here. So that's all of the things that this device comes with. Sadly, it comes only with one replaceable HEPA filter. You will need to buy additional ones with this separately from this device. It only comes with one that is already inside. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.